Hi guys, I know I said on my previous video that the next video will be about how to take the best photos with your DJI Mini 2, but unfortunately I changed the weather. Since I've done that video 3 days ago, because I posted it yesterday, look at this. So I cannot use my DJI Mini 2. And by the way, I think the next video after this will be about the new update that DJI Mini 2 released, and I will do some testings. But yeah, let's get into this video. As you see here, DJI sent me a gift box which I have not opened yet. I just covered my details here, so we'll do that together. I received it yesterday, and all of a sudden I was checking my emails and I saw something coming with UPS. And I was reading the details and it was saying DJI. So DJI sent me all of a sudden some gift box. I don't know why, but thank you, whatever this is. Let's check what DJI sent us. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Water bottle. Why would they send me a water bottle? What the? They sent me a water bottle. Well, thank you, DJI. I definitely wasn't expecting this, but yeah, again, thank you, DJI. I appreciate the good gesture, but maybe next time do something more creative. Maybe send me a smart controller, maybe. Just a suggestion. No, I'm joking. Thank you for that. And guys, this is for the video. I will see you on the next one. I just wanted to do an unboxing with you because I'm just sharing whatever DJI sends me or whatever happened with my drone. I just like to share it with you guys. And yeah, this is it. I will see you on the next one. Enjoy.